First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we go from spring-like weather back to letting us know winter's still here, and officially it still is, but it only has a few more days to go. And as we go through March, we're going to be in this transitional period where we have the quick warm-ups and then followed by another day or two of colder air. Then we warm quickly back up. The sun angle has a lot to do with that. The longer days, of course. There's not very much opportunity for cold air or winter storms now that we're getting on into the middle part of March. Here's a look now at First Alert Live Doppler radar. We're all clear this morning. We did have a few snow flurries overnight, and now the colder air under the clear sky. We're at 26 degrees. On average, we should be around 58 degrees for this time of the year, and that's that first number that you see on this 7-day trend chart. So if we should be at 58, today we're going to be 10 degrees cooler than that at 48. Then you see we jump back into the 60s for Friday and Saturday. And then you see another little dip in the temperatures as we get into Sunday and Monday, back to 48. Again, 10 degrees below average. And then what happens right after that? Tuesday and Wednesday, we jump back into the low 60s. This is the kind of seesaw or roller coaster pattern that we'll be seeing over the coming days as we go through the month of March. So today, one of those dips in the roller coaster as temperatures have dived into the 20s this morning. Everywhere you see across the Mesonet network, mainly mid to upper 20s. Today, though, not cold, but it will be chilly or chillier than it has been over the last few days when we've been running way above average. Green River Lake got your hometown forecast today for Campbellsville, 46, 45 for Greensburg, and 46 for Columbia and Adair County. By the way, the Powerball jackpot has now jumped to $70 million for the Saturday night drawing. We didn't have a winner last night. And the next Mega Millions drawing now at $353 million. Here is a live view down Scottsville Road in front of the Bowling Green Airport. We're starting with a clear sky this morning, but chilly readings, 27 currently, feels like 23, thanks to that very light northwest wind coming in at 3 miles per hour. We checked the brand new HD weather cam, which has been down for several weeks because of the bad weather, but our folks at AAA Systems put up a brand new camera in HD. It's very nice. We see the old Muhlenberg County Courthouse, 25 degrees. Your current temperature reading there in Muhlenberg County this morning. Litchfield at 24. In Grayson County, Franklin, you're starting at 26. Munfordville at 24 under a mainly clear sky. Russellville is at 24 as we're looking there from Logan County. Radar showing the remnants of that system coming through yesterday. Just a few flurries, even some sleet that was reported yesterday afternoon across south central Kentucky. Didn't amount to much, and it's not causing any issues this morning. The surface temperature is still too warm. As you can see, the cloud cover has moved out pretty nicely. From time to time, we could see a few high clouds today, but that's about it. 29 at the Bowling Green Airport. That's running 30 to 35 degrees colder than yesterday morning at this hour. High pressure takes over today, though. Lots of sunshine, and it's not going to be warm, but it's not going to be cold either. We'll call it chilly. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. Then a nice warm front moves through the area tomorrow. That's going to make our winds come out of the southwest. You see these equal lines of pressure. We call those isobars. That's where the air pressure of the barometer, barometric pressure, is equal. And when they tighten up that way, that means a lot of wind, a pressure gradient, if you will. So the winds are going to kick up tomorrow with the sunshine, but it'll be a warm wind, and that's going to help us get into the 60s. So again, that roller coaster ride that I showed you on that 7-day trend graphic. And then as we get into, say, late Friday into Saturday, we do see a system off north of us that could bring us a chance of light rain for Saturday evening. Mostly sunny, a little chillier today, 48. Then for tonight, mainly clear, but seasonably cool down to 37. Tomorrow will jump all the way to 64 and a sunny day, but it will be breezy. 61 Saturday, chance of a shower late Saturday evening. A little cooler Sunday, and it now looks like a rainy day. 60% chance of rain, then a cooler Monday, then back into the 60s Tuesday into Wednesday.